The HM600 takes innovation to the next level as a wide area, 3-unit, ride-on, dedicated flail mower utilising the advanced flail mulching technology from Müthing. Whether you are maintaining sports pitches, parks, or taking back control of overgrown areas, the HM600 does it all while delivering a consistent, superior finish. The highly productive 3.2 metre mowing width with fingertip controls enables use of cutting units in any combination to easily adapt to the areas being maintained. Power comes from a trusted and reliable 65 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, and together with the SureTrack 4-wheel drive system, the HM600 can tackle the toughest of terrain with ease. To keep working in extreme conditions, a temperature-controlled reversing fan clears the air intake screen for optimum engine cooling. The HM600 comes fitted with Ransomes TST, Tilt Sensor Technology System, which delivers audible and visual warnings to keep the operator safe when mowing on steep terrain. An ergonomically designed, ISO-mounted platform with fully adjustable suspension seat, tilting steering and adjustable armrest provides exceptional comfort and safety for the operator. The optional cabin takes this protection one step further. The dashboard features a colour screen which displays everyday information such as fuel level, engine temperature and safety interlocks, while also providing warnings, fault finding and diagnostic information. With a 2.1 metre transportation width and 15 miles per hour road speed, getting from site to site is quick and safe. The HM600 has the added bonus that the wing units are folded back towards the rear of the machine, offering superior all-round visibility for the driver. For daily checks, the hood is easily raised and gives clear access to the engine bay. For more in-depth maintenance, the side panels can be easily removed. Technology on the Müthing cutting unit ensures performance in a wide variety of applications. Unparalleled cutting ability for heavy-duty conditions, fully floating cutting heads which follow ground contours, patented shredding teeth for optimum mulching of the grass, even distribution of the mulch clippings, and heavy-duty rear rollers give a professional striped finish to your sports turf area. The HM600 flail mower has the versatility to do it all, productivity to do it fast, and the technology for a superior finish.